Hello, everyone. I'm Roberta Davis, and I'm going to start my talk today with a question. Do you remember King Friday the 13th? How about Queen Sarah Saturday, Lady Elaine Fairchild, Daniel Tiger, Mr. McFeely the Delivery Man, the Trolley, the Castle? If you remember any of those, then you remember Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. I can remember watching it when I was little. Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood was the most iconic children's program on television. According to biography.com, he was born in 1928 in Latrobe. When he graduated from college, he had a bachelor's degree in music. He went to work for WQED, and he started his children's program in 1968. He has done many and various things to help children relate to adults and also to help adults relate to children. And speaking of children, I have Sydney here who's going to come and say a few words about Mr. Rogers herself.
Hi, I'm Sydney, and I really love Mr. Rogers, so all the characters are very kind, and the show is very interesting. Mr. Rogers is very loving.
Thank you, Sydney. Sydney's my granddaughter. She's 8 years old, and I think it's very impactful that she is still watching it. She's still watching it through Daniel Tiger, which, although Mr. Rogers had passed away in 2003, his legacy lives on through programs like Daniel Tiger. One of the most impactful things that Mr. Rogers did, in 1969, he went before the Senate and he got $20 million to keep public television running so his show would continue to run. And he did it in 6 minutes. There's a YouTube video out there. In fact, I will put it in the comment section below this video so you can see for yourself. So that's my story about Mr. Rogers. His impact is enduring and endearing. And won't you be my neighbor? Thank you for watching.